everyone, this is Raksha Rawat and our today's chapter is chapter number 3, Number System and Introduction. In this chapter, we are going to know about number system and use of number system in computer. A number system is a way to represent numbers. Generally, we use a number system in which there are 10 different symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This number system is known as decimal number system. So in decimal number system there are 10 different symbols. So with the help of these numbers other numbers are formed. For example 10. 10 is formed with the help of 1 and 0. 11 is formed with the help of 1 and 1. 12 is formed with the help of 1 and 2 and so on. So, with the help of these 10 different numbers, all other numbers are formed. Our computer does not understand decimal number system. It only understands binary number system. It understands a number system that uses only two symbols 0 and 1 and is called binary number system. In this table, we will learn about number system and about their description. First one is decimal number system. So, the number system that we used in our day-to-day life is decimal number system and it uses the base 10 and digit used 0 to 9. So, आपके डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम का बेस 10 होता है और उसमें सिर्फ डिजिट्स यूज होंगी 0 to 9. So, second one is octal number system. The base of octal number system is 8. And the digits that are used in octal number system are from 0 to 7 only. Next one is hexadecimal number system. So the base of hexadecimal number is base 16. And here digits are used from 0 to 9 and letters are also used from A to F. And last one is binary number system. So the base of binary number system is 2 and the digits used are 0 and 1. So here in this chart you can see different number system and their examples. First one is binary number system. So you can see in binary number system only two digits are used 0 and 1 and the base of binary number system is 2. ओके तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हो कि सिर्फ 0 और 1 का यूज किया गया है और आपके बेस में 2 है. अगर 0 और 1 के अलावा कोई तीसरी डिजिट का यूज होता है तो आपका बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम नहीं होगा. Next one is decimal number system. So according to the rule only 0 to 9 digits comes under this and your base is 10. So you can see here example 149, 184 and 194. तो आपके नंबर सिस्टम में जो डिजिट्स यूज होंगी वो 0 to 9 होंगी और जो बेस होगा वो हमेशा 10 यूज होगा. Next one is your octal number system. Octal means 8. So base of octal number system is 8. So you can see example here 164, 152 and 147. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे 148 होता है या 149 यूज होता है तो वो ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम नहीं कहलाएगा क्योंकि उसके अंडर सिर्फ 0 to 7 यूज होगा. And your last one is hexadecimal number system. So according to the rule, hexadecimal number system uses digits from 0 to 9 and also alphabets from A to F only. So you can see here in examples also 4a base 16, 246f base 16 and last one is 5d2 base 16. अगर f से आगे आप यूज करते हो g h i तो ये आपका हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम नहीं होगा क्योंकि यहाँ सिर्फ अल्फाबेट्स A to F यूज होंगे. This chapter number system is totally based on numerical. So tomorrow we will discuss about numerical parts of number system.